Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about logic functions, and the logic functions always work with logical operators, and here we have 6 logical operators. We have equal, greater, less than, greater and equal, less than and equal, and not equal. And the first and the most useful function is if, and the if always can have just two results. We have one logic. From the logic we have two results, true or false. If it's true, it's one result. If it's false, another result. For example, here I want to find the committed workers. The committed workers are those workers who works greater or equal than 8 hours per day. For example, equal if first logic, if these working hours equal or greater than 8, greater or equal than 8, it is true. We don't need to write the false, so it calculates itself. Close the bracket and enter. You can see I have highlighted those who are committed workers. These are true. And here for my committed workers, I will give them the bonus, for example 10%. So it's the salary. I want to give them 10% bonus if it's true. Okay, equal sign if it's true, if they are committed, equal to true, comma, they will get 10% bonus. I want to multiply this with 10%. This one multiply by 10%, comma, if they don't, they get 0%. Close the bracket and enter. You can see here it's true and we have $25 bonus, and here this two we have 27 and 24, and for this one we don't have, for this one we don't have. Yeah, it works just fine. So now I want to find the best workers here. The best workers are whom that they work more than 5 days per week. Equal sign if they work more than 5 days per week, greater than 5, comma, they're the best. So whenever we write a text, we should put the text inside the quotation mark, best, quotation mark, comma, if they don't work, so we just leave it blank. So I just write quotation, comma, and quotation, close the bracket and enter. You can see for those who work more than 5 days per week, they are the best, and we have few here, and it works magically. So that's it about if. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.